At EOPS, we're student-centered and we have an abundance of holistic services to serve our students. Our main service revolves over what we like to call over and above counseling. In our EOPS office, we have 6 full-time counselors, and we also have adjunct counselors to help with any student counseling needs. Another great service that we provide is our book grant service. Now, the book grant service allows students to purchase books or materials and items that are on their syllabus at the LA Trade Tech bookstore only. EOPS students get Tier 1 priority registration. What priority registration essentially means is that EOPS students get to skip to the front of the line and register before any other students that's not in EOPS or not a part of any other special program on campus. This is really an awesome service for EOPS students because you get the classes you want, at the times you want, and with the teachers that you want. When it's time for you to earn your certificate, degree, or even transfer, EOPS will also pay for your cap and gown and give you a nice EOPS sash. At the moment, we have specialized workshops online throughout the entire year. We also offer important and transferable counseling classes that provide you the skills of successful college students. At the end of each academic year, we also like to have a student success banquet in order to celebrate our students' success that year. When the pandemic subsides and we're all able to return back to campus and normal education, we will once again start offering university field trips, cultural field trips, and we will either pay for your parking pass or your public transportation U-Pass. We also have several sub-programs under EOPS. Our EOPS Next Up program is specifically for foster youth that are under the age of 26. There are a couple more very specific criteria in order to qualify for EOPS Next Up, but if you are a part of the foster youth population, please let us know on your application when you're applying to EOPS. On campus, we have a Next Up lounge with laptop computers, printing access, and there's even a food pantry. On campus, we also provide EOPS Next Up students with meal tickets. Our next sub-program under EOPS, EOPS Care, are for single parents that are also head of household, but they also receive CalWorks. Similar to the Next Up program, we provide these students with meal tickets, over and above counseling, over and above case management. These students also get a larger book service from us. Now, all these services are for EOPS students, and the only thing they have to do in order to remain in the program and stay active is to meet with a counselor 3 times a semester. So all you have to do is fill out this application, email it into this email address. If you qualify, awesome. If you don't qualify, we'll let you know the exact reason why you don't qualify, and if you're able to correct that, you can apply again. We take new student applications all year long. Here's our information and our social media. I hope to see you guys soon.